now it's a little bit dry, so it's safe to walk here.
Yeah.
And then there's here you can visit the bird hive, the observatory tower, and our nursery right here.
Okay.
Yep. So for small birds like this, you may find.
Okay, today, where are we, honey? And what are we doing?
We're at the Kota Kinabalu Wetlands. We're going to take a walk around. They've got a boardwalk, and you can walk through the mangroves and hopefully do some bird spotting and maybe a little bit of mud crab spotting as well.
This is really cool. As we walk through the centre, it just explained how important the wetlands are for the filtration of water to the sea and to protect the coastal region. It's quite an interesting educational and cultural experience. But again, it's bloody hot. So how's this? They give you a little guidebook when you enter the wetlands, so you can check off all the different animals as you see you go through the park. This is so cute. Okay, darling, after 2 hours of walking in the wetlands, what's your opinion?
It was actually quite peaceful and restful. I enjoyed doing a little bird spotting. I liked that you spotted that lovely purple heron and the lizard, the monitor lizard, and yeah, looking at all the little crabs and the fishy fish. Yeah, it was very nice.
It
and
was
yours?
great.
What did you think?
No, I thought it was lovely. It was something to do after you've seen everything else in Borneo and you just want a relaxing time by yourself. You know, it wouldn't be something I'd pick on the first day when you're all excited. It's something to do after you've seen everything. You want to spend some time together and not see anybody else. The sun was that hot. The sunscreen's melting off my skin. You can see it glistering.